Hey guys, I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm Habasia, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. But right now, I'm at Tom Thumb's nursery, and now it's called Cornelius Nursery in Galveston, and shopping for what? Collard green seeds to plant on Sunday. So let me know if you went shopping for those seeds for yourself as well. Or what kind of seeds did you go shopping for to plant on Sunday in a container? So you can start planting seeds with me, or did you go get a baby tree to plant? If you have not subscribed, please do, so you can, and hit that little notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you will know, and you can follow me and see my progress and on my tiny little permaculture garden in my backyard in Galveston. Okay, I'm here at the nursery trying to find some seeds, y'all, to plant for Sunday. Well guys, no collard greens. Sorry, oh. All right, y'all. Before I leave this nursery, I wanted y'all just to see the outside of it because it's really pretty. It just was raining earlier today, so I just let y'all see how pretty it is. I was able to get a couple of packets of seeds to plant on Sunday. I actually love coming to the nursery and just look at the flowers they have. From there to there, y'all. This look like, yeah, chocolate. Look like chocolate mint. I haven't seen chocolate mint growing in my garden this year. Look, a corn, y'all. Y'all, this is the only nursery around, but it's still enjoyable every time. The cat is too funny every time I come. Like he's the watch cat of the garden. Who knows, it might be a purpose for him being there or her being there. Let me see. Huh. Organic container potting soil. What I like about this place is that you can be reminded of the motherland when you come, y'all. Even if it don't have as many trees as in the motherland, still just this little small area still makes you feel like for a moment you're in the forest. If not a food forest, just forest in general with all of the trees here. And look at this one. Reminds me of our banter bar. But of course, banter bar on steroids, y'all. See that? They're so pretty. That banter bar. So pretty. Yeah, y'all. Reminds me of the banter bar at the Habasio Food Forest Project. I know it's not that big, but imagine just that little section there reminds me of it. And look, y'all, they even plant for you if you don't want to plant yourself or you can't plant yourself. Goes to show you how when you have services available, you can actually get paid for those services. Something simple as planting trees and planting flowers. So they are growing them and then they're installing them if you want them to for a price. Like they say, everything comes for a price. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed looking at all of the things in this nursery. Let me know if you want me to shop for any particular kind of seed to see if it'll grow in Galveston for me to plant on one Sunday. And then again, let me know what seed you were able to get for yourself and plant it along with me this Sunday coming, y'all. So anyways, till next time, peace, peace. Power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.